Welcome to a box break by TradeCardsNow.com, sponsored by Topps. Today we're going to do a box of Topps Unique. We have 3 hits per box. All of these cards are going out to our members. They use their TCN cash to buy packs. So let's get right into this. If you're not a member of TradeCardsNow.com, make sure to come visit. Start earning some TCN cash, get into some breaks. Definitely visit Topps.com. Product releases, product info. So let's get right into this. First pack is going out to Johnny Webb. This is what the cards look like. There's a Bolden. Try to go through these pretty quick. There's 24 packs per box. And we have a red rookie Aaron Maben. That is numbered to 799. And a Zach Miller Unique Unis insert. Again, that is Johnny. This is going to Bandit. We have Royal, Chad Pennington, rookie Jared Cook Jr., and a unparalleled performance Adrian Peterson. Donovan McNabb insert on the back. This is Grinch, 49er fan. He's got a Hester, awesome Jamarcus Russell, Donald Driver red, and a Donovan McNabb Unique Unis. I know he's pretty excited about that Russell being a Niner fan and how awesome Russell is. Pack number 4, Dogface. We got Santonio Holmes, Hakeem Nicks rookie, Randy Moss, Pierre Thomas red card, and a LaShawn McCoy rookie. That is numbered out of 1829. Make some room. Okay, I'm going to have to go much faster. Pack number 5, 5-round pounder. There's a Holt, Willie Parker. He got a hit. It is numbered 33 out of 79. That is a Frank Gore Glenn Coffey duel. That right there is going out to 5-round pounder. Congratulations to him. Pack number 6, Johnny Webb. I'm sure Grinch will be talking to him about that Niner. Derek Williams rookie, Urlacher, Eli Manning, Ray Lewis, Mohammed, I don't even want to pronounce that name, Mike Goodson, numbered 54 out of 99, rookie. Pack number 6, that's Johnny Webb. 7 is IntelliRacer. He's got a Jamal Lewis red and a Drew Brees insert. Pack number 8. This goes out to Bucks. Tom Brady. Say Polamalu, red, numbered out of 799. And an Earl Bennett rookie. Pack number 9, Panther fan. Feels a little thicker. He's got Adrian Peterson base, Michael Bush red, and a Jones Drew. Pack number 10. Pat White rookie. Michael Bush. Chris Johnson red card. And a Tony Romo insert. That was dog face. Number 11. This is also dog face. Jason Witten. A red Owen Daniels. Wes Welker. Pack number 12 is Grinch. Got a Nate Davis rookie. Be happy about that. Flacco, Willie Parker red, Patrick Turner rookie. 13, 5-round pounder. Brett Favre, Michael Vick, a Ray Lewis piece, numbered 32 out of 50. This is his box. Already got one of the other hits. And a Roethlisberger. 14, Panther fan.